there's a saying that what men can do, women can do better. Yeah, and these days they are even doing it perfectly than us.
I see Kojo get in the back.
Yeah, he's really enjoying himself at the back, behind the wheels. Cindy Marvelous. Today she decided to drive. I don't know why she decided to drive my truck, because it's a very difficult, when I said like a manpower steering wheel, but she decided. So I don't know. Yeah, Cindy, how is the driving for the first time driving my truck? It reminds you of what?
Jamaica.
Yeah.
What exactly would I learn to drive off from back in Jamaica? When you take a driving test,
Yeah.
you have to learn. You have to know how to drive. So, this is like second nature. It's fun driving, you guys. It's fun looking at everyone, looking at you.
Looking at you. People are